Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp status music not working in simple steps. So let's dive in. Start by opening WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android. Tap Updates at the bottom left, then tap Add Status. Here you can upload a photo or video, or just take a quick picture. Once you pick your photo, you should see the music option at the top. Choose a song, tap the play button to preview it, and if it sounds good, tap the arrow to add it. If you don't see the music option or it's not working, here's what to do. Close WhatsApp completely. Then open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see an Update button, tap it. If updating doesn't fix it, open your phone settings. On iPhone, go to General, then iPhone Storage. Find WhatsApp in the list and tap Offload App. This removes temporary files and refreshes the app. If it's still not working, open WhatsApp again. Tap Settings at the bottom right, scroll down, and go to Help and then Help Center. You can search for status music or related issues. At the bottom, you'll see Contact Us. Tap Start Chat and simply send a message like, "My status music is not working, can you help?" Their support team will respond and fix the issue for you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for tips. Thanks for watching.